New at 11, a foul-smelling situation outside a popular Northeast Fresno restaurant led to a response from hazmat and environmental health teams. Fresno fire crews say Heirloom's grease trap system malfunctioned and spilled into the parking lot before 8 o'clock tonight. The cooking fats and oils not only made for a slippery situation, but also had a terrible odor. Officials say the runoff was tested and did not contain any toxic substances, but the area was blocked off for hours while crews cleaned up the mess.
So what you see here is a backup of the grease traps at the restaurant. There was a malfunction in their grease retention system, which resulted in it venting out into the street. We had a lot of people call this in. We had our hazmat companies and first due engines companies. We came out here and we tested it. This is all grease. This is cooking fats and cooking oils. It smells very foul, but they tested it. We also have environmental health out here, so this is not raw sewage. This is simply, if you can imagine a gigantic grease trap fan from a commercial restaurant outflowing to the streets. Because as you can see, some of this runoff water is going into the sewer drains, just to keep them advised so we can protect our natural waterways. You have a big commercial cooking operation. Sometimes these grease traps malfunction. If there's any clog in the line or malfunction in the line, it'll actually vent like it's supposed to and vent out on the street. And so I'm told by bystanders it's been like this for a few hours and someone finally called it in. It is a hazard, it's a slip hazard, and it's obviously a grease hazard, so we have the area cordoned off, and the restaurant has been working, they've been a tremendous partner with us, so they're gonna work to get this cleaned up, and not only get it cleaned up, but also clean the streets because it leaves a real oily residue for a slip hazard. If you're a restaurant owner, definitely make sure those grease traps are cleaned out, and especially for the fire protection, the hood systems, the vent systems, it's all clean and prevent this kind of situation.